Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. XLM is still testing the support of the symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze whether are we going to break it down or we can have a reversal from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart, and this is the daily live time frame chart. Before this, I would like to take you to the weekly time frame because here we have been watching this weekly rising wedge pattern, and this is the support of this rising wedge. We have a few touch points here, and here, and here, and here we have seen that in the month of November, at the end of November, the price line broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And here we have the resistance of this rising wedge. And we have two immediate supports. One is the price level support at 25.5 cents. And we can observe that even after several attempts, the price line is not able to break it down. And the more stronger support we have is the 100 weekly simple moving average. This red line is the stronger support. And right now it is approximately at 23.3 cents, and it is moving to the upside. And the price line is not able to break it down. And you can see that XLM did not break it down since after November 2020 when the price line broke it out here. And after that, the price line never tested this 100 simple moving average again. But here in the month of November, at the end of November, the price line tested this support of the 100 simple moving average. And this was the reason that the price line reversed back. But this reversal can be also a confirmation for the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern because we moved down, we retested this support, the previous support of the rising wedge as a resistance, and now we are moving down. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, then here price line has formed another symmetrical triangle, and the formation of this triangle was started here at the first week of December. We moved up, we tested the resistance, tested the support several times, we tested the resistance here, move down and move up, and right now we are again at the support, and we are likely to have some accumulation here, and this is the support of the 25.5 cents that we are also we were watching here on the weekly time frame as well. And one thing more on this weekly time frame is that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and previously we have been watching whenever the stochastic was entering the oversold zone, we had the sideways move by the price line, and we had the next rally again. Stochastic entered the oversold zone, and the price line moved a little bit sideways, and we had the next rally. Again, it is happening here, but here we are also likely to have a double bottom as well. Like previously we had this bottom here, and now the price line is again moving down to test the 25.5 cents support level. Right now it is again testing that support, and it is possible that we can have a double bottom, but if this support will be broken down, then we can move more down to test the next support at 20 cents. And you can see previously when we had the previous big rally in the month of November 2020, this support level was working at that time as a resistance. We had a very strong rejection, and after getting reversed, we broke it out, and right now it can again work as a strong support because here previously in the month of June 2020, 2021, when we had a very, very extreme drop, this level has been working as a key support at that time as well. The next few hours are really very important. We are testing the support of this triangle, and we are also testing the support of the 25.5 cents level as well. And if we will have a reversal, then at least we can move up again to this resistance that is approximately at 29 cents. And in case of breakout, this triangle, our next imminent target after the breakout can be here at, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then it will be 35 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.